This video will knit the card-carrying potato. First, magic ring. We weave the first loop inside the circle. Knit 6 SC single crochet in the first loop. Tighten the coil after 6 SCs. After tightening the coil, inserting the crochet hook. First straight S of the round. Crochet a ship stitch. Tighten the loop again at the end of each subsequent loop. Ship stitch on the first straight S. Make the first and last connections. The second loop is knitted S. In the 6th straight S of the first loop, crochet 2 SC in each straight S. That's 2 short stitches in 1 stitch. Finished with an inch increase. Next, crochet the remaining 5 straight S. Each straight S is crocheted into SC. After the 6 inch are knitted, crochet through the first straight S. Crochet a ship stitch. Pulling the loop tight, the second loop is finished. The third loop is knitted. Add a stitch every other stitch. Let's see my demonstration. Weave a SC first. Then hook inch in the next straight S. This completes the set of To show you one more time. 1 SC, 1 inch. Taking a SC and inch approach. Finish the third loop. The fourth loop is easier to knit. Weave a SC within each straight S. (18 SC in all). From the 4th to the 6th loop, it's all knitted the same way. Since the weave is relatively simple, no more demonstrations here. We'll start the 7th loop. The method for the 7th loop is add a stitch every 2 stitches, but the inch is in the middle of the 2 stitches. Let's see my demonstration. First weave a SC, then weave an inch. Then knit a SC to the next straight S. This completes 2 stitches plus 1. Only the inch is in the middle of the 2 stitches. This completes the set. Let's show you one more time. 1 SC, 1 inch, 1 SC. Let's finish the 7th round in this way. It's lapped through 10. The knitting method for these 3 loops is weave 24 SC in each round. Since the method is relatively simple, so you can do these 3 laps on your own. I'm not going to show you in detail. Now we'll start the 11th loop. For the 11th round of knitting, need to add the potato arm. Let me show you how it's done. Let's start by weaving 7 SC. Weave 7 trees after 7 SCs. After 7 trees, return the position of the penultimate CH. We pick up half ACH. Weave a SC. Weave another HDC down. Still picking up half ACH. Pick up half ACH. Knitting the second HDC. Weave another DC down. Weaving a second DC. Weaving the third DC. This completes the hand on the side of the potato. This is the position of straight S before weaving the hands. At the next straight S position, weaving ASC. Weave another ink down. Weave another SC and ink. And ink. We weave 2 more consecutive ink. 1 straight S weaves 2 SC. First finish. Second one down. 1 straight S weaves 2 SCs. After that we knit another SC. And ink. Weave another SC. And ink. Now let's knit the other side of the hand. The knitting method is the same. The first is to start 7CH. Return to the penultimate CH position. Pick half of the side and weave ASC. Knit a HDC halfway down the side. Weave a second HDC halfway down. Then ADC down. Weave a second DC. Weaving a third DC. After the other hand is finished, the next straight S on this body, weaving an SC. Keep weaving SC to the end. Weaving to the end. Again within the first straight S. Weaving a ship stitch. Make a head-to-tail connection, tightening the coils. This will add the arms of the potato. Now we'll start the 12th and 13th loops. The knitting method for these 2 loops is, each loop is 30 SC. This position of the hand is special. I'll show you. And so we weave SC continuously. And then we put this hand down. Turn it over. Find the first SC after it. Let's provoke this straight S. Finish the 12th round in this manner. Everyone knit the rest of it yourself. Now I've completed 12 and 13 rounds of knitting. Now we'll start the 14th loop. The 14th loop is knitted as follows. Start by knitting 7 consecutive SC. We start by weaving a deck. Pick a half. Pick another half of the next one. One deck and you're done. Then weave a SC. Weave another deck down. Weave another SC. Then weave 2 consecutive deck. 1 deck. 2 deck. Weave another SC down. A deck. Weave another SC. A deck. After weaving, we have 7 straight S left, weaving SC without adding or subtracting. Knit a ship stitch on the first straight S. Pull the loop tight. The 15th loop is knitted as ASC, a deck. Then weave ASC. This is a set of knitting patterns: 1 SC, 1 deck, 1 SC. There are 6 groups to weave. Just finish the remaining 5 groups. After the 15th round, you need to stuff the body with cotton padding. After filling the body with cotton wool, we start the 16th loop. Weave a SC first. Weave a deck again. This is a set of. Let's show you one more time. 1 SC. A deck. Let's all continue in the same way. And now for the 17th slab. That's a total of 6 decks. After the 6 decks, weaving a ship stitch over the first straight S. Pull the loop tight. At this point, the body of the potato is finished. Let's take out the scissors and cut the threads. Pull the coil out. Take out the hand sewing needle. This round hole at the end of the potato. Closing the hole. Tightening the coil. After tightening the coil, the hand sewing needle is passed back and forth across the fabric several times, hiding the threads. After hiding the threads, Cutting the threads with scissors along the surface of the fabric. The body of the little potato is now complete. Take out the pink wire magic ring. And now for the bow on the potato's head. Let's start with 2 cheese. Next, weave 3 DCs in the round. Weave 2 more CH. Ship stitch in the round. One side of the bow is done. Next, 2 more cheese. 3 DC. Two CH. Inside the circle ship stitch. At this point, the body of the bow is complete. We leave a long thread for the break. Pull the coil out. Pulling the coil tight. A little bow is done. We are using hand stitches. Sew the bow to the potato's head. Use the reserved thread before sewing. Two wraps around the middle of the bow. Tie a knot in the back. After you've dealt with it, it's time to sew on the bow. Attach the eyes again, sew on the mouth and you're done. And here's the finished result. You can also do it to your liking, creating a different kind of expression.